Hey, what's up? My name's Hassan, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my salmon bake recipe. It's a super fast recipe. It only takes 15 minutes to prep and cook. I created this recipe when I was trying to kind of meal prep for lunch for work. So this is a great dish to do that. It's also great for, your workout meals, things like that. You can eat it with rice, you can eat it with salads. It's absolutely amazing. So first things first, let's get started. Let's talk about the seasoning blend. In a bowl, we're gonna be combining half a tablespoon of garlic salt, half a teaspoon of cayenne, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of paprika, a quarter tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of turmeric. So for this recipe, turmeric plays a huge role. That's why you use mostly turmeric out of all the seasoning spices. Mix that spice blend all together. So the next thing you'll be needing is lemons. You wanna use 1 lemon for each piece of salmon. I use salmon fillets, which I get from H Mart straight from the butcher. Their seafood area is absolutely amazing. It's so clean. Definitely is a good place if you do have an H Mart around to check out. So start by slicing your lemon in half. You're gonna save half of your lemon, and you're gonna use the other half to make slices. Don't worry about the seeds. All right, once you have your lemon slices and your seasoning mix ready to go, we are gonna grab foil. Just a couple sheets. You're gonna lay it down. Get your salmon fillets and place it right in the center of your foil. Next, we're gonna drizzle olive oil generously and add your seasoning mix. Then we're gonna crush fresh ground black pepper and squeeze half a lemon. We are going to rub the mix and make sure the whole salmon is coated. Once complete, top off with 2 slices of lemon and wrap the salmon tightly in the foil, ensuring that no steam can escape when baking. Get your baking sheet and place your salmon right on top. Set your oven for 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook your salmon from anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes, making sure to keep an eye on it. Once done, open up the foil. Go ahead and cut your salmon, plate, and serve. Until next time, peace.